Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Good Now Marinini, aka God Made Trader. So yeah, just a little quick one. It's actually to 11. It's quite night, yeah. I should be going to bed soon, but I said let me just drop this quick market update. So I think from the weekend we analyzed some pairs for you guys. US30, GUEU, USD JPY, and USD CHF. So yeah, I'm just basically here to give you guys a market update of what's happened this week. Man, crazy. Market has been crazy lately. Um, Trump tariff plan, which was yesterday, really shook the market. It was really crazy, man. It was really crazy. I think the only trade whereby it went accordingly was US30, which I made profit, though market almost took me out by just one pip. It's crazy. The rest USD JPY, my buyers was wrong. Market sold instead of buy. EU my buyers was right. Market bought, but it didn't make the retracement which I requested. So yeah, let's just go quick to it. Show you guys what's up in the market, and yeah, that'll be it. So basically, yeah, this USD JPY, guys. So you can see this clean market structure, this price action. You can see this trend market was creating on daily, lower high, lower low. And if I show you guys my drawings, we can see the market literally faked us out. And yeah, I was actually not fully sure of this UJ. I said it, I was like, hope this is not a false breakout of this trend line. Eventually it was a false breakout, so we have market sold off back and now heading lower. So yeah, basically what I'm now looking on for UJ is I'm expecting a little bit of retracement back to this level, since now we are bearish on the daily. The top down analysis, market has to align the daily, the weekly, the 4 hour. That's how I trade, and I trade based on levels to levels. So you can see how this level here acted as support. Now price has broken below it. You can see here also it acted as resistance. You can see it here also, it's resistance. I think if you go back in time, you can see this level 2 acted as support. So yeah, you can see this actually a very key zone. Yeah, so that's basically it. So yeah, what I'm looking at on the daily is I'm expecting a retracement back up to this level, then also this trend line before we continue lower. Basically what I'll be looking for, I'll go down to my 4 hour time frame and look for my entry signal, probably the evening star formation, uh, break of structure here before considering a sell. So that's basically it for UG. We are back into the bearish zone for UG, and I'm expecting price to head down to 141,000 for UG. So this is a sweet opportunity for you guys to not miss. Don't miss this opportunity. You can take advantage of this free money for you. So yeah, let's look at, yeah, I'll show you guys US30. Wow, shit, market actually went below my TP. That's interesting. So yeah, you can see this is the US30 trade. Sorry, please. This is the US30 trade. You can see the market almost took me out, and that was Trump. That Trump crazy shit of yesterday. See, it almost took me out by one pip. Yeah, didn't take. Imagine you seeing this market taking you out and going in your internet violation, guy. Like that's like worse than a heartbreak, honestly. That's worse than a heartbreak. But yeah, glad it didn't take me out. We had a breakout from this flag. We had this retest, this consolidation, and yeah, the drop. So you can see how price is following the trend. market is expecting levels. We had the daily is bearish on US30. You can see how bearish the daily is on US30. See this sweet double top, breakout of this level, retest, continue lower. You can see this was the move of yesterday. Oh shit, why am I having cracked voice? So now we have this sell. So now basically I'm expecting US30 to head down to 40,000, then down to 38,550 level. Yeah, so we're bearish on US30. So at least I made some bags from this. I was able to make some profit, quite some profit here. I mean, really sweet profit, but I'm not really so interested at flaunting profit. I mean, we are here to learn, we are here to grow. If you can understand how to read price, trust me, you can make any amount of profit you want for the market. So I'm not here to entice you about the profit I made and all that, but I'm here to just share with you the knowledge God has given me in the market. So yeah, that's basically it. So I'm bearish on US30, but for now I'm out. I'll be looking for any short opportunity, probably a retest, then continue lower, or a break and retest of this zone, continue lower. So yeah, US30 smashed nicely. Okay, so down to DXY, you can see DXY sold. DXY sold. So yeah, you know my analysis from the weekend was I was expecting a retracement up down to this EMA before we had the sell, but eventually it didn't happen. Market sold off. Now we're heading to this consolidation, this liquidity. So yeah, that's what I'll be looking for price action. You can see our price is rejecting of this level on DXY. So we are bearish overall. We have this buy model, and now we're in a sell phase. MMSM, market maker sell model. And yeah, this 3 standard deviation, like I talked about in my previous video. If you've not watched my previous video, go and check it out. I shared how I read price action. Yeah, so we are bearish on DXY, though I want to see probably a bit of retracement to this level back, a bit of retracement to this level before we continue lower. You know, market don't just drop like that, though sometimes it drops, sometimes we had this lower high, lower low. So yeah, I'm looking for a bit of retracement before we continue lower. That's it. So now if DXY is bearish, then we are expecting EU and GU to be bullish, and you can see our bias was right. So basically, market bought. It didn't give me that retracement down to this level which I wanted before buying. It went off from here. So now basically what I'm looking out for EU, I'm looking for a retest of this breakout. Probably price market will want to mitigate the sells here. You know, traders that were selling here will be waiting for market to come back so that they can break even, thereby causing more buy in the market. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm expecting buys on EU. You can see how price respected this level, very good structure level. So that's basically it. I'll be looking for my entry signal around here, probably a test of this EMA if it gets here before considering a buy. Same thing too for GU. We had this sweet breakout. So now market is rejecting. Guys, you need to know how to mark out your chart to understand supply and demand, so structural levels. You can see how price is rejecting at the structural levels. So now what I'm expecting is a retracement to this level, which has acted as support, resistance. Do you get? You can see, so price will most likely buy from here if you have the retracement. And you can see this was our previous week high. So that's what I'm looking out for GU. A retracement down here. I have my alert set. Then before we buy, so yeah, that's basically it. For USD market sold off beautifully. Though we are not yet at our long-term target, which is this level, but here you can see it's following Guys, look at this sweet price action. I mean, it's just sad I missed this move. Market didn't give me the opportunity, but yeah, I was right on the direction. Yeah. So that's why sometimes you can't really predict what the market will do. You can be right, analyze, market will leave you, and just got to where you intended it to. So yeah, basically what I'll be waiting for is a retracement back here. That's if it happens. Then before considering selling on USD CHF, no need to chase the market. You can see this level has acted as resistance, resistance, support, support. Really nice structure level. So yeah, I'm expecting a price reaction from this level. So yeah, that guys, that's basically it for all the pairs I'm looking at. Looking at UJ. UJ is close to this level, so yeah, I'll be looking for opportunity probably today, or if not today, next week, around this level on UJ. So that's basically it, guys. Know how to mark out your chart, know how to read price, and learn to be detached from the outcome of your trade. You might miss some move, you might lose some, you will gain some, but yeah, just know that you are playing the long-term game, and always trust your analysis. You won't get it right every time, but you need to develop that strong mentality to trust your analysis. You need that resilience to keep going even when you are failing. You need that positive mindset to keep telling yourself that you know this shit, you can do it. And trust me, man, you keep making progress. I mean, a few years back, I couldn't read price like this, but honestly, I've seen the growth that I've made over the years. It's all about consistency, it's all about being persistent, being rugged in the market. The market is not for the weak. You have to always show up every day, keep learning, keep improving, and you see yourself growing and making it back. They say first you learn and then you earn. So that's basically it. And yeah, the best of the best, always trust God. Ask God to guide you, ask God to show you what you need to do in the market. Always put God first in everything, guys. So yeah, that's it for tonight. I need to get to bed. Um, do well to subscribe. Check out my previous videos, my shorts, and yeah, just follow me as we grow on this journey. Peace out, guys.